What you see behind me right now is the Malaysian preview of sorts of the Volkswagen Arteon. This is, as you all know, the Passat CC replacement. First they launched the Passat CC, then the CC, now it has become the Arteon. So Volkswagen Passenger Cars Malaysia has decided to preview the Arteon here at Volkswagen Fest 2019, and it is slightly different from the CC in terms that it is a fastback. Rear is a hatchback. It's basically a 5-door hatchback. They call it a 4-door fastback. So very nice looking. You look at the front end. In terms of styling, the front end is actually, if you look at it, this is actually the future of Volkswagen. You can see the grille is the one dominating the whole front end. The lines, how the lines come out from the grille, goes into the lights, the LED light strips and all. It flows and all. So you got the nice flowing horns at the end, which are the lights. Think about it, this is the future Volkswagen car design in terms of where this front end will definitely be the one featured on most future Volkswagens. Maybe in one generation or two, you'll even see the lights disappear, where everything is smaller, made more LED, more concentrated on a front end grille and all. But what we see now is the current design language of Volkswagen, and it's actually very beautiful. Everything just melts together and it's very cohesive and integrated and all. We are getting one spec only, estimated price from between 290 to 310,000 before insurance. It will come with a 2-liter TSI engine, turbocharged, direct injection, typical Volkswagen 2-liter engine, with all the goodies, 280 horsepower and about 350 Newton meters of torque, thereabouts. It also comes with 4-wheel drive, so it's an all-wheel drive Volkswagen. This technology isn't something new. It's basically the one used in most of the Volkswagen R models, the hatchback system, and power goes through all the wheels via a 7-speed DSG gearbox. This is the Volkswagen's latest DSG, and it's inside this car. So essentially a 5-door fastback. This is basically based on the Passat chassis, but it's clothed in something sexier, something more nicer to look at, something more desirable to own. This is the Volkswagen Arteon, the Passat CC, then CC replacement, and it will be on sale shortly here in Malaysia. And from what I see in terms of pricing, it's going to have quite good competition in terms of the other German brands, but it offers a lot in terms of freshness, how it's styled, especially, and that new modern face of what is the future of Volkswagen in a way. Alright, till later. Do subscribe to Motoring Malaysia for more updates and all.